I've gone viral on YouTube Shorts hundreds of different times, and my secret every single time is that I've been adding a custom thumbnail to my YouTube Shorts for forever now, but now YouTube has officially rolled this out to everybody on YouTube, and you need to make sure that you're using this brand new feature if you want to go viral. So in this video, I'm going to show you 1, exactly how to use this feature, 2, 3 secrets that you need to make sure that you're adding into every thumbnail that you make in order to increase the odds that people click, and 3, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm creating my viral YouTube Shorts thumbnails so that you could steal my process and go viral too. This works no matter how large your account is, no matter what niche you're in, you need to make sure you're doing this. Okay, so the first thing that we need to go through is how to actually add custom thumbnails. And even if you don't see the feature I'm going to show you, how you can actually do this no matter what. Okay, so in order to actually add one of these viral YouTube Shorts thumbnails to your video, there are a few different ways that you can do it. First and foremost, now, if we actually come into the details of a video, we're going to see on the thumbnail right here that if we click on these 3 dots, that we can change, we could download, or we could select from video. Ideally, what you want to do is you actually want to use change right here, which is going to allow you to actually click on this and be able to select a thumbnail from your actual downloads. For example, I've actually gone through and I've created this thumbnail right here for how to go viral on TikTok. And now guess what we could do? We simply just click on change right here. Then we're going to add this from our downloads. And now we could see that this is going to be the thumbnail right here. It looks perfect. We're simply going to click on save and now that's done. Or the other thing that we could do is if we come over here, we could click on undo right here and we could actually click select from video. And then this is going to allow us to actually go through the video right here and be able to choose our thumbnail. Now, if you don't see this on your YouTube, because I have been seeing all the comments, Rob, I don't see this yet. I don't see this yet. You should see this soon. YouTube is rolling this out to everybody. In fact, it should be rolled out to everybody now. But if you don't, the other way that you could actually do this, you need to make sure that you are uploading your short from a mobile device. You then want to click on this little pencil icon right here. And what you'll be able to do is you will be able to choose a part of the video. Now, what you have to do, if this is the strategy that you're going to be implementing, is you need to make sure that when you were actually editing your video right here, you want to add the actual photo in. The way that you're going to do this is by having your video done. It could be edited right here. And then you want to come to the end of your video and you want to add in this photo right here. Now, what you want to make sure that you do is you want to make this incredibly small because you don't want the user to even notice that this is happening. So I made this as small as possible right here. Now we could actually go through and play this video, go viral with that. And we could see that this is where the video ends, but it's literally just there for a millisecond. In fact, we could come over here and make this even smaller if we wanted to. But what this is now going to allow us to do is when we export this video and we actually go to upload it on YouTube, we'll be able to choose this right here, which will be showing at the end. Now, inside of CapCut right here, we could see that this shows up like it needs to be a little bit larger. That will be fine because it's actually going to get cropped for that YouTube Shorts thumbnail. So this looks perfect. So now we need to dive into exactly what 3 things you need to make sure that you're doing in every thumbnail so you can maximize your odds of going viral. And these aren't super obvious. Now, in terms of what types of things you want to make sure that your thumbnail has, the first one is you want to make sure that it actually has curiosity right here. So if we type in something like YouTube settings, we can see actually this is my video right here, 4.8 million views. This is also my video, 1.2 million views. And this small creator right here, only 13,000 subscribers, got 7 million views literally by copying me. So we could see on every single one of my thumbnails, they have me pointing to something which captures your attention. And either one of 2 things happens here. Either one, you actually go through and you highlight it in red like what this creator did right here. You could come over here and circle it in red like what I did on this one. Or if we come over here, we just have text that's actually pointing to it. And that's what you need to make sure that you're doing in every single thumbnail that you make. You want to have some type of curiosity loop, and adding in red circles or adding in red outlines or adding in a finger or something pointing at it is going to help do that. You could also do this with like a red arrow, a yellow arrow, but you want to stick to things that are bright and that are going to stand out. In addition to that, if we come over here, we could see another way that this is very easily done. Like this post right here about Tom Segura getting a divorce, we could see his wife is crying here and they added text. And that's why this video has gotten 50,000 views in only 20 hours from a really small channel with only 18,000 subscribers. Another great way to do this is what Alex Hermosi is doing right here, where it says, and then your like, which actually leaves people with a cliffhanger, and we could see him reacting, this guy looking kind of nervous, and they made this custom thumbnail on purpose because guess what? This is going to go through and actually get somebody to click. And when you begin to add thumbnails on YouTube, you're going to notice that not only will your content show on the homepage of YouTube, it will also show in the search results of YouTube, but will also show if somebody actually comes over to Google and let's say we type something in like add thumbnails on YouTube Shorts, what you are going to notice is you now see short videos right here. And when somebody clicks on this, they get shown things. For example, this is actually my video. This is my video. This is also my video. If we scroll down, I have a bunch of other videos here. And these videos are all getting a lot of views. They're all going viral because people are searching for these things on YouTube. People are searching for these things on Google. People are searching on these things on Gemini, ChatGPT, and Claude. And guess where they're pulling the information from? From here, which is why I'm getting so many views from this new feature. And you could copy it and get them too, so long as you're actually creating good thumbnails. And now I want to show you exactly how I'm creating my viral YouTube Shorts thumbnails so that you could steal this strategy for yourself. It literally works for any niche. Now, the tool that I like to use in order to create these viral YouTube Shorts thumbnails is going to be ContentBuddy.ai, because when you actually sign up right here and you could get started with a free trial at the pinned comment below, come over to YouTube Shorts, click on content creation, and we come over here to thumbnail cover generator. We could click on launch tool and we could see that we could create our thumbnails incredibly quickly here. You could choose what style you want. I personally always go with natural. You could add a reference image if you wanted to add yourself in. For example, if we click on add image right here, we could see that I could actually search through here, find a headshot of myself, and then what I'm going to be able to do is actually add this in right here, and I can say thumbnail for a video about how to go viral on TikTok. And then we could do two things. One, we could generate the thumbnail right here, or we could go more advanced and actually describe the exact thumbnail that we want right here, which is what I would recommend. Or if we click on enhance prompt right here, this will actually create the prompt for us. Just make sure that you go through the prompt and you actually like it. So a smartphone screen held in a dark room, displaying explosive million views notification, vertical graph, high contrast. And we could see stop posting without the secret. We could see do this to go viral. And then what I'm going to do is click on generate thumbnail right here. This is going to go through and actually generate this, and boom, just like this actually went through and this created this thumbnail. It added me in here with the headshot, how to go viral on TikTok, and we have this right here, which looks absolutely incredible. And guess what? If we wanted to edit anything, simply just come down here, click on edit, tell it exactly how we want to edit it. Like if it made the text off the screen, we could tell it to fix that. Or if it made something else that we want fixed, like for example, this made this 10.2 million views. Maybe I just wanted to say 1 million views, but I have a feeling that the reason that it actually changed it is because 1 million wouldn't be able to fit on the phone right here and it would be too small, which is actually a good thing. We could come over here, we could edit this, we could apply all these changes, or we could download this and now we have that thumbnail. And actually, here's another one that this also just created right here with the million, where we have do this to go viral. We have me on here. And again, this looks absolutely incredible. If I wanted to edit anything, I could do that. But otherwise, I could download this right here and we can now use these viral thumbnails. And the best part about Content Buddy is you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with it today for free. This tool's an absolute no-brainer. It's going to help you begin to go viral on YouTube Shorts, and you could use this to create new thumbnails, not only for your new content, but also for your old content to increase the odds that the algorithm picks them up and then you start going viral. In addition to that, if you want to learn how you could get more views on YouTube Shorts really fast, I would strongly suggest you check out this video right here that walks you through exactly how you can do that. If that sounds interesting, I'll see you over there.